Hey guys, excuse the hair. Went and took my dogs for a walk. How's everybody doing? Welcome back to my channel, Creativity and Inspiration. I'm Lisa and I'm glad you're here. If you're new, I am so happy you found us. And if you're coming back for a second, third, or more time, thank you. You are much appreciated. Tell your friends. Before we get started, hey guys, don't forget, please hit that subscribe button and that little bell. Let's build this channel up. We're a small channel, you know, we're growing every day. I appreciate every one of you. Tell your friends so we can grow because we need to grow. Alright, today's video is super fun. If you saw the title, I am taking scrap paper and turning it into butterflies. And they're turning out really cool, so I thought I'd turn the camera on and do a couple for you, with you, so you can see them. And then we'll talk about where you can use them. So let's just jump into this. Okay guys, so I was sitting here and I had a bunch of scrap paper out because from doing all the altered videos, I have a whole pile of just torn sheets of paper like these. And I started making these adorable little butterflies, and they are just 2 layers of scrap paper, and then they're just 2 layers of scrap paper, and then I did some beads and wire for the body, and look how cute. And this one is like a vintagey matte paper on the top. Sorry. This one is like a vintagey matte paper on the top and a blue paper behind. Whoops. It's vintagey paper on the top and it's a blue paper underneath, and I kind of curl the wings up kind of in like that, so you can kind of get a hint of the paper, and it's really pretty. I did some clear gold and pink beads with the wire as the antenna. So there's that one. And then this one I did with some wood beads and some white elastic wire. This one I did with white elastic wire, some wood beads, same top paper, and a pink undercoat paper. And I thought they were just turning out so adorable that I would kind of hop on and show you how I'm doing them, and we could do one together. And like I said, I just have a bunch of this. I cleaned most of it off because my desk was covered. And what I've been doing for the butterfly shape is I had these wood shapes in my stash, and I'm just tracing them on the paper, and they're exactly the same size, so it doesn't matter which one I use. Just gonna take my paper, and this is a flower paper. It's a flower paper, and I'm gonna put an orangey yellow behind it because the other ones are more vintagey, and I want this one to be spring because of course we're all getting ready to do those spring journals. And I'm doing it with pen because I kind of want the dark edge to show. But you could do it in pencil. You could do it on the opposite side. That's up to you. So there's my shape, and I'm just going to cut it out real quick. Okay. So there's my butterfly cut out. Now I'm going to do the same thing on the orangey piece of paper. I'm going to do it kind of just a little bigger because I want it to show a little bit. But you could do it the same size like I did the other ones. I'm just doing this one a little different. Just going to cut it out real quick. Since my colors and my paper are patterned, my colors are bright, I'm going to do the body, the wood beads, with the kind of like a little elastic white wire. And make that the body and the antenna. Okay. So there's that shape. If you don't want your trace lines to show, just, you know, flip it over. But I like that. I think it gives it a little dimension. So there we go. We're going to glue those two together. But only in the center where the body is, because I want the wings to bend a little bit. I'm using just plain old Elmer's glue. You are welcome to use whatever glue you choose. I have to craft on a budget, and that is one thing that I save on is glue. I will link my favorite glue below, though. Elmer's Craft Bond glue that does fabric and paper. Okay. There's my two pieces glued together. Now what we're going to do next is the body. I'm going to take my white wire and I fold it in half. You can see the loop and the ends. And through the open end part, I'm just going to put on 3 wooden beads. So I'm going to put, I got to get them close together though, because I'm threading the beads on both wires at the same time. And I'm going to push the first bead all the way down to the loop. So it looks like that. There's the loop and there's the first bead. Second bead. And there's the third bead. Okay, so now I'm just going to glue this body onto my little butterfly, right where the body is outlined. And pull my antenna apart. Okay, there we go. Okay, there we go. And there is our butterfly all put together. Our scrap fabric made into a super cute butterfly. And I was thinking I have more scrap fabric, and I made this little pattern of a bow. So I was thinking I would just trace it onto this paper real quick. Great use for scrap fabrics is to do this. I'll show you one more use for them too after we do. There's our bow, and I'm just going to cut it out of my little scrap paper. You know, we always have so much scrap paper and scrap fabric left, or I do. Especially because I like to tear it and just put it on, you know, tags, journaling cards, everything. So I end up with all these little weird pieces that really I can't use anywhere. So this is why I like doing this. Okay, there's my bow. Now you could stick on another piece of paper for the bow if you wanted to. You could put fabric on top of the bow, a piece of paper on top or behind. I think I'm just going to put this little rose in the center for our knot, and that's going to be our little bow. And it's super cute. The roses stick on. And then I'm going to come in and make some like the bow center thing and like that, and come on this side and do the same thing. There we go. It just gave it a little interest, a little movement, and there, isn't that cute? So what can you do with the bow? What can you do with the butterflies? What can you do with this? Well, I'll show you. I got this super cute embossing tag, and I thought it would be so fun to put a butterfly on it. And for this tag, because it is so plain, I thought it would be super cute to add my little colored butterfly. And how adorable is that? So you can put these on tags. You can put them on journaling cards. Here is a tag with color on it. You could put one of our other butterflies. And see, they just pop. So you can put them on tags. You can put them on journaling cards. You can put them on paper clips like that. You can put them on, if you have anything like card catalog cards, you can put them on playing cards. You can put them anywhere. They are so cute. Remember that basket we made for our coffee filters? How cute, right? And we put the little flat butterfly on there. But what if we came back and added one of these more 3D butterflies? How adorable is that on our basket? Or If you want to put a little bow on your handle, that's cute too, guys, okay? So there are a lot of uses for these little paper scrap. There are a lot of uses for these little altered paper scrap butterflies and bows. So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, leave me a comment down below. Which butterfly was your favorite, or did you prefer the bow? What will you be making? Thanks for being here. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that little bell. I really appreciate it. We love all of our subscribers. Talk to you soon. Bye.